subscribe, make sure to get this to 10,000 likes! Oh, I want adventures. Yeah, I want to be an adventurer like Indiana Jones.
Big announcement! There is a hidden fidget spinner lying in the Malaysian mountains worth $5 million.
Hey boss, you know where my pickle is? Yeah, there it is.
The long-lost fidget spinner is worth $5 million. The journey to find it is long, so be careful and good luck.
Did I hear correctly? Yes? Come on! Let's go get it before anyone else does! Let's go!
And I forgot to tell you, the journey includes dangerous arrows, poisonous snakes, shark-infested waters, and boiling lava.
Nothing will stop us from going on this adventure! What in the world was that? Oh my goodness. Nobody warned us about that! Well, that was just one obstacle. Other than that, nothing's gonna stop us. Yeah! What? Whoa, sharks! Oh my goodness. Come on, Shiloh! Come on, jump! Let's go! There it is. Indiana Jones, you gotta switch it up with something. Okay. DIY slime I made from YouTube. Go. Take it, take it! Phew! That was easy. Why'd you do that? High five! Favorite snack to eat? My favorite snack is definitely Ritz crackers. Comment down below and tell us your favorite snack to eat. Follow us on Musical.ly, our Snapchat, our Instagram, and Facebook, and check out Shiloh's gaming channel, PLAYONYX, and our family blog channel, Onyx Family. See you guys later!